Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by softening the glue so removal is controlled. First, wipe the glass with isopropyl alcohol to remove contaminants. This helps heat work evenly. Next, apply steady heat, hair dryer or heat gun on low, for about 30 to 60 seconds until the sticker's edges lift. Once the adhesive feels pliable, use dental floss or a plastic razor to lift a corner. Move the floss back and forth like a saw, while keeping the heat on to prevent. You continue by peeling the sticker slowly at a low angle. This reduces stress and prevents tearing. As you pull, keep reapplying heat every 15 to 30 seconds to keep the adhesive soft. If you stop heating, the glue will harden and shred. When the backing comes off, you'll often see a sticky film. Apply a dedicated adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol and let it soak for a minute, then scrape gently with a plastic blade so the glass stays unmarked. You're finishing by eliminating any remaining tacky film and restoring clarity. Apply adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol and rub with a microfiber or a baking soda paste for stubborn spots. This lifts residues without scratching. Once clean, spray glass cleaner and polish to remove streaks and inspect at an angle for missed bits. If residue persists, repeat the heat end remover cycle or use a citrus-based solvent. Just test on a corner first. Troubleshooting tip: if the sticker repeatedly
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.